Hi everyone, I hope you're really well. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 different outfits that I would wear to college on an everyday basis. So it's outfits that are very casual, very comfy. I feel like sometimes I wear the same thing over and over again and people in college must be very bored with me. But I figured this video would help a lot of you who are back to college and basically show you different ideas of the things you could wear. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this kind of video, style of a video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see like college outfits, but like winter edition. That could be nice with like sweaters and comfy jumpers and everything like that. So let me know if you would like to see a kind of part 2 of this. And yeah, I really hope you have a lovely day whenever you're watching this, and I will see you soon. So in the first outfit I'm wearing some simple black leggings from Penneys. These just go with everything, and I've paired them with a simple black jumper from H&M. This one has a slogan on it and it says friends, which I really love. I usually wear these kind of outfits all the time. You'd see me sometimes wearing them every single day of the week. This one is paired with some black Converse, which are super comfy, and yeah, it's basically a simple Monday outfit. For the second one, I'm wearing some River Island jeans. I only got these recently and they're super comfy. I'm then wearing a top from Stradivarius. I just really like the wooden buttons on it. I've paired that with a Kate Spade bag that I usually wear, and some really cool shoes from H&M from a couple of months ago. I'm going to try and link everything down below if I can still find it. For a little bit of warmth, I'm putting on a leather jacket. This one is a faux leather jacket from Penneys. It was super affordable and I've had it for years. The next outfit is simple again. I'm just wearing a white tank top with some Topshop Jamie jeans and some trainers, which are Adidas NMDs, I believe. There's Tia making an appearance. On top of that, I'm putting a what's it called? A jacket? Army jacket. There we go. I'm putting an army jacket over the top of that. Because I just felt like it would go really nicely with the shoes, and I've seen so many army jackets and camo print things in stores right now, so I just thought I would take this jacket out from my wardrobe and wear it again. Next, this is one of my favourite outfits. I absolutely love this jumper. It's from Missguided and I got it a while ago. I'm also wearing some mom jeans from Nasty Gal and some black Vans, which are super comfy once again. This is a simple cozy outfit that I would wear. I just feel like it's really easy to put together, and yeah, jumpers and jeans are my best friend for college, and I'm sure everybody else is. In this next outfit, again, I'm wearing a stripy top because stripes are the best. I'm wearing some mom jeans from Topshop and some white Converse. This is again a really simple outfit, very easy to put together. And yeah, I'm not really sure what else I could say about it other than it's really comfy. And that top is really soft. I got it in my local kind of shop. I'm going to link it down below if I can find it, or I'll at least give you the name of the brand that it is because I can't remember now off the top of my head. But yeah, my belt is also from Penneys and my necklace is from Miso. It's the one that I usually wear. Next up, we have a little bit of a put together outfit. I'm wearing some black Joni jeans from Topshop. I've paired those with a khaki green top from Penneys and some H&M Sliders. I've only really worn those sliders a couple of times, but they're really comfortable. And yeah, this is kind of an outfit that I wouldn't wear every day. It's not very casual, but the sliders still make it nice and comfortable, and I really like this outfit. Since we're still kind of in the summer and it's kind of still warm outside, this is the last outfit that I would choose to wear now in September. I'm just wearing my Boohoo jumpsuit, and I have that with my Tommy Hilfiger sliders. I'll probably wear the play suit a little bit more often, but with Vans or Converse if it gets a little bit colder. But yeah, I really love this jumpsuit. It's super comfortable and I would definitely highly recommend it. As you can see, I'm putting a denim jacket over the top just in case it gets a little chilly. This one is from Penneys once again. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!